Inventory. Nope. Didn't want to do that. I have an anvil. Can't be dropping anvils down stuff for good times. Equipment. Chest of recycling. This chest is crafted from metal pounded with other metal. Okay. Is it stronger? Health 30. Health 60. Yes, it is. Poison bolts. Made from deadliest poison snakes. Can use them too. A minor speed potion. I'm gonna put that. Shoulders of pointiness. Sure, why not? Where are my shoulder pads? Health 15, health 35. Yes, I will take those gladly. A trinket of terrible things. Infernal energy is in accessory form. Health 20. Yes, that is definitely better. Get away with that. Do away with that. A sword. A broadsword. That is better than the longsword. And this is a fire axe, which is better than my hammer of the north, which I don't use anyway. Hatchet and the thunderstorm club. Let's grind this all up, shall we? Huh? I suppose... Isn't that... What? Ah, okay. That's how it works. Oh. Grinding it. And... grinding it. So. Wow, I've got over 5,000 coins. Onwards and upwards. Cool, I can see even the spike chest thingies. What are they called? Shoulders of pointiness. I can see the shoulders of pointiness and his new chest plate, which looks awesome. It doesn't really look awesome, but I guess it's better than what I had, right? Right? And another outhouse. A slimy outhouse. Ooh, that's disgusting. I wouldn't want to go on that one. Doing, you know, your business. I wonder why it's slimy. You know what? Actually, I don't wonder why it's slimy. Change the weapon set. No, oh, I had the right weapon set. Why didn't it show? Okay, what's that? Oozing goo. Okay, I need to kill those for... What the hell? What was that? Why did it Whoa! Why did they explode? Why did they explode? Do I take damage? No, no. Oh, no, I do take damage. What the hell? Do I have to shoot? Oh, okay. So it's not the hatchet. I didn't even fight with the hatchet. I was fighting with the sword. Okay, Oozing go. 5, 8, 9, 10. Never mind, this thing exploded just in front of me. 10, 11, no, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and yeah, done with that. And I'm gonna die soon again. Oh, what the hell? That's a lot of them. 70 goos. An oozing slime. Oh, he's dropping them. Well, that explains a lot. You fiend! Die! What? Oh. Yeah. My health's going down again. And again. And again. What the hell? They didn't even ever stop. I need to eat the drumstick. Ah, man! Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Ooh, ooh. So. Ah, okay. Now, what does... Seriously? Please let me eat in peace. Thanks. Okay. You're all healed up now. Again, into the slime pits. Is there anything interesting up there? Ah, another oozing slime. Kill it with fire. Oh, that could actually kill it with fire. Let's try that out. Ah, is that stronger? Whoa! That was one big explosion. But they're not very strong. Bam! It's actually rather fun. Killing all the oozing slimes. Okay, changing it back again to the sword. Wow, that's an oozing creeper. Oh, that's a big one. And he's... Wow, he spawned a lot of oozing goo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. Leave me alone, please? Maybe? Ah, okay. He's healing up now. Can I kill it? Or is it going to absolutely destroy me? Well, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Let's do this. Or, you know, let's die trying to do this. Oh god, that's a really strong enemy. Ah! Why can't I... Why can't I hit... Oh god, that was not a good idea. That wasn't a smart idea. I'm already dead. Oh, I'm so dead. Ah! Easy, I've got my healing potions. No problem. Not a problem. And now I can get the crystal shard. Which I need for the witch. The demon witch. Which she needs in turn to craft, or... Yeah, craft? The artifact? I guess craft, yeah. Slime's disgusting. What? Activated? Why did it activate? Because I was close to it? Oh! Oh! I can do something here. What is that? Slimy... Ah! Use with. Why would I... What would I use with what? Oh. Okay. Nah. I can't. Oh shit! I forgot to use the thong on a instrumenty thingy. The thongolite instruments to do something that I was supposed to do. What was it? I have to get the thongolite of courage by the demon camp and take a reading with thongolite instrument. Demon camp. Demon camp? Where's the demon camp? Wow, that is quite a while away. What else is there to do? Nothing there. Hooked on a green. Get the artifact. Bring the red horns. No. I think we're good. Ooh, Wizardy Diary. Page 2013? Can I read it? Nope, I can't read it. Do I have a key? Nope, don't have a key. Get away! Green Lake. Hours later. I guess I could have used the outhouse. To go where I need to go. Oh! I keep forgetting my health. It's ridiculous. Nom nom nom. That chicken drum really has to taste delicious. You're making me hungry. Know that? DeathSpank. Why you do that? The monsters respawn. It really is a lot harder to talk and play at the same time than I thought it would be. Because I thought, you know, just do it. It'll be totally easy. But I'm finding out that I can't concentrate on talking and doing something useful in the game. You can hear it. I either concentrate on the game or I concentrate on talking, and the other one's just lagging behind, and either I talk total crap or I do total crap in the game, and I keep forgetting to look at my health bar, for example, and almost dying.
Nondescript citizen.
Have you reclaimed my wallet yet?
The wallet. See, again, I don't know why I talked to him, because I haven't found the wallet yet. I have to go up to the fisherman to give him back his lure. It says lure. And I have to give the goo
Greetings
to her.
Here is your goo.
Here you
Excellent.
goo.
Please take this killer plant immunity potion as a reward. Talk to me again if you want more free potions.
Yes, do I need it?
Greetings.
If you'd like, but this requires spores from the killer plants.
I'll help you with your killer plant spores, desperate orphan.
Okay. Collect killer plant
Excellent.
spores.
Of course, you probably already know that killer plant spores only appear in dead greens.
What? Nope, I did not know that. Can I collect more pixie hair? Yeah, I can. And here is your lure.
Greetings once more, whiny fisherman.
I have your mighty lures, distressed fisherman.
I have your mighty lures, distressed fisherman.
Thank you, DeathSpank.
Does he have another quest for me?
I guess I've got everything I need to return to work. But you know, just between you and me, I really hate fishing. You know what?
Of course you do.
I've heard the evil green champion swallows fish whole. You should split his mighty belly open and bring me the prize tuna he just ate.
What the? Sure, why
I'll
not?
bring you your tuna.
Great! That would pretty much free up me afternoon.
Because why the heck not?
A lot.
And empty. Yes, I know. Peculiar. I leveled up. Cesti's ranged strike. Okay, more melee damage, more money, more melee damage again.